welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Sona, and as you can see, my hair is so dirty and then it has lot of product built and it is really dry. So in today's video I am going to try the maximum hydration method, and this is my first time doing it. So I am going to use only two products which are from Sophia Botanica. So the first product that I'm going to use is the shampoo. This one is the purifying shampoo apple cider tea tree, which is all natural. This shampoo has a great benefit. The first one is it deeply rinses hair and scalp to remove dirt, great for chemical or colored treated hair, great for itchy scalp, which my hair is so itchy right now, and it's also good for dandruffs. It's also encourage a healthy scalp and hair growth. So the directions are, they said wet hair completely, massage into scalp and hair to create a full lather, rinse thoroughly and repeat if necessary. So these are the steps and then the benefits of using this product. Okay, I am going to use the hair dip mask banana peppermint. So this is the conditioner that I am going to use, okay, for my deep conditioning. So this is the first time I'm trying this product. So I am going to tell you, like, I am going to make a review on these two products, and then I will also do a demo in the shop. Guys, I know that this may sound really crazy because like the maximum hydration method require a lot of steps and the procedures are too much, and sometimes people normally do it to 24 hours, sometimes 2 days, and me coming here trying to tell you guys that I'm going to do the maximum hydration method using only two products. So let's just keep watching and see. I wet my hair completely to remove all the product build-up I have from my failed wash and go video, which I posted last week. Then from there I apply the purifying shampoo apple cider tea tree. For best results, I divided my hair into sections, my scalp thoroughly. Continue the same process to all my hair. I normally wash my hair twice, but with this product I only wash my hair once, which saved me so much time.
You guys see what I see? I'm shocked. My hair is so soft, shiny, and the best of all, my curls are back to life. Just after using this purifying shampoo apple cider tea tree, this product really worked best for me, especially with my hair. You can see my facial expression. Wow. I don't even know what to say, guys. My face say it all. This is really shocking. I'm shocked. Even that crazy expression that I was doing in the shower, I decided to continue by applying the hair deep moisture max banana peppermint into my hair. What I did is I divided my hair into smaller sections. I worked the product through my hair, and then I take my comb to detangle my hair. I use my white tooth comb to detangle my hair. Guys, I love the peppermint flavor in my hair. After that, I twist my hair. was walking through the deep conditioner into my hair, I noticed that something very strange, which is like my hair was a little bit tangled. So this is the main reason for this is because of the shampoo, which is like the apple cider tea tree shampoo. So but the whole concept of the shampoo is to deep cleanse but still moisturize your hair, which will also help the deep conditioner to penetrate into your hair. So apart from that, like I love the product. To mention this because when you buy the product you might face the same problem that I have, which like detangling your hair take forever. Yeah, but after when you finish everything, like the whole process, and when you see the final results, you know that it worth it. It's really good. But I'm not going to say much for now.
When I finish applying the deep conditioner, I wear a shower cap. Now I am showing you how much product I use. I use a lot of product. Then after that, I heat cap, leaving the product in my hair for 1 hour because I was busy cooking. I rinse off all the product and this is my final results. I love how soft my hair is, how soft, shiny, smooth my hair is after using these two products. It's really good. You can see it from my facial expression. Guys, I'm so sorry that I'm just showing you a lot of faces today because like the products that I use make me like I don't even know what to say, you know. I was so satisfied with the product that I use and the combination of these products are really good and they're all natural hair product and it is also good for all hair type. So I recommend you guys to use this product for your maximum hydration. You can see my hair. It's really hydrated and my curls are popping back and I'm satisfied with my results. Thank you so much guys for watching my video and I will see you in my next video. Bye.